Hello everyone, welcome back to Thrive Talk English, where English learning is not pressure, it is self growth. It is building a future you can be proud of. It is becoming someone stronger than yesterday. Because here, we chase progress, we chase consistency, we chase the strongest version of ourselves. And today, I need you to understand something important. Your life will not improve automatically. Your confidence will not appear magically. And your English will not improve if your habits stay the same. Because every single day, your habits are shaping your future. What you watch, what you repeat, what you focus on, what you allow into your mind. Everything matters. Most people destroy their focus without even realizing it. But today, that changes. Because in this video, I will show you 15 powerful habits that can completely rebuild your mindset, your focus, your confidence, and your future. And listen carefully. The moment you start practicing daily, your English becomes more natural. The moment you stop acting average, your future starts changing. So stop wasting your energy on things that do not help your future and start investing more energy into your goals, your discipline, your English, and the person you truly want to become. Because one day, your future voice will thank you for not giving up today. So stay with me until the end. Because these habits are not only about English. They are about rebuilding your focus, rebuilding your confidence, rebuilding the way you think about yourself. And little by little, these small daily habits can change the way you speak, the way you live, and the way you see your future. Because powerful lives are built through small daily actions. And let's start with habit number 1. This habit that quietly changes everything. It sounds simple, but most people ignore it. Keep your promises to yourself. Think about this. How many times have you told yourself, "Tomorrow I will start learning English. Tomorrow I will practice speaking. Tomorrow I will change my life." But tomorrow becomes next week, and next week becomes next month. And slowly you stop trusting your own words. Confidence does not come from motivation. Confidence comes from keeping the promises you make to yourself. So if you say you will practice English for 10 minutes today, do it. Not because it is a big achievement, but because every time you keep your promise, your brain learns something important. I can trust myself. And that is where real confidence begins. So start small. Promise yourself, today I will learn 5 new words. Today I will speak English for 5 minutes. And keep that promise. Because the moment you start trusting yourself, everything begins to change. Now let's move to habit number 2. A simple habit that can make your days more focused, organized, and productive. It is simple but incredibly powerful. Plan tomorrow before you sleep. Most people end their day scrolling on their phone. Memes, videos, messages, and suddenly it's midnight. Then the next morning, they wake up confused and say, "Why does my day feel so messy?" But the truth is, the most successful people don't start their day in the morning. They start their day the night before. Before they sleep, they already know what tomorrow will look like, what they must do, what really matters, and what can wait. It doesn't need to be complicated. Just take 5 minutes and write 3 simple things. The first thing, one thing you must do. The second thing, one thing that improves your life. And the third thing, one thing that improves your English. That's it. Because when you sleep with a clear plan, your brain wakes up with direction. You don't waste time deciding what to do. You simply start moving. And when your days become clearer, your progress becomes faster. So tonight, before you sleep, don't just close your phone. Take 5 minutes. Write your 3 priorities for tomorrow. Because a planned day is a powerful day. Now let's move to habit number 3. A habit that can completely change the way you start your day. Habit number 3 is simple. Spend 10 minutes in silence every morning. Most people wake up and the first thing they do is check their phone. Notifications, messages, social media. Before their mind is even awake, the noise of the world has already entered their head. And then they wonder why they feel stressed, distracted, and unfocused all day. But successful people do something different. They start their day with silence. Just 10 minutes. No phone, no messages, no social media. Just sit quietly, breathe, and let your mind wake up slowly. Because when you begin your day in silence, something powerful happens. Your thoughts become clearer. Your mind becomes calmer. And your focus becomes stronger. And here is something interesting. This is also a great time to think in English. You can say simple sentences in your mind like, "Today I will practice my English. Today I will improve myself." Just a few sentences. But those small movements slowly train your brain to think in English naturally. So tomorrow morning, before you check your phone, give yourself 10 minutes of silence. Because a calm mind creates a powerful day. Habit number 4 is simple but very powerful. Learn something new every single day. You know, many people think learning ends after school. They graduate, get a job, and slowly stop learning. But the world changes very fast. If you stop learning, you are not standing still. You are slowly falling behind. The good news is this. You don't need to study for hours. Just learn 2 to 3 small things every day. One new English word, one new idea, one new sentence. It could be from a book, a podcast, or even a YouTube video. Because when you learn something new every day, 2 things happen. Your mind becomes stronger and your English becomes richer. Just imagine this. If you learn 2 new English words every day, that is 730 new words in 1 year. And those small daily improvements can completely change the way you speak and understand English. So make learning a daily habit, because every new idea you learn expands your mind and brings you one step closer to your goals. Another powerful habit that can transform your energy is this: move your body every single day. Many people think exercise is only about the body, but the truth is, movement changes your mind. When your body moves, your energy increases, your thoughts become clearer, and your motivation becomes stronger. You don't need a gym. Just walk for 10 minutes. Stretch your body. Do a few push-ups, because when your body moves, your mind wakes up. And an active body creates an active life. But energy is not only affected by movement, it is also affected by the people around you. That's why the next habit is very important. Surround yourself with good and positive people. The people around you influence the way you think. If you spend time with people who complain all the time, you slowly start thinking the same way. But if you spend time with people who learn, grow, and improve themselves, you begin to grow too. Positive energy spreads. So choose people who inspire you to become better. Habit 7. Speaking of growth, there is something extremely valuable you must learn to protect: your time. Protect your time. Time is the most valuable thing you have. Money can come back, opportunities can come again, but time never returns. So use your time wisely, because when you protect your time, you protect your future. Habit 8. Practice gratitude. Success is not only about productivity, it is also about peace of mind. That brings us to another beautiful habit. Practice gratitude every day. Sometimes we focus so much on what we don't have that we forget what we already have. Take a moment each day to appreciate something: your health, your family, your progress. Gratitude changes the way you see life. Habit 9. Listen more than you speak. Most people listen just to reply, but wise people listen to understand. When you listen carefully, you learn new ideas, new perspectives, and even new English expressions. Listening is one of the fastest ways to grow. Habit 10 that successful people understand deeply is this: learn from your mistakes. Many people fear making mistakes, but mistakes are not failures. They are lessons. Every mistake teaches you something valuable, and every lesson makes you stronger. Habit 11. Take small daily actions. Here is another truth about success. Big results come from small actions repeated every day. So the next habit is simple. Take small daily actions. 5 minutes of English practice. 1 page of reading. one new idea. Small steps may look tiny today, but over time they create powerful results. Habit 12. Your energy is more important than your time. Energy is your real power. Without energy, you cannot focus, you cannot learn, you cannot stay disciplined, you cannot become fluent in English. Remember this line: where your energy goes, your life follows. And now let's move to the next mindset shift. Obsession creates greatness. Do you know why most people never become truly great? Because they are interested but not obsessed. They want success, but only when it feels easy. They want to improve their English, but only when they feel motivated. And that is why they stay average. Because average effort creates average results. Listen carefully. Greatness is never created by people who try sometimes. It is created by people who become deeply obsessed with growth. Habit 14. Silence is power. Most people talk too much about their goals before they ever build them. They announce everything: their plans, their dreams, their next big move. Listen carefully. Real growth is usually silent. While others are talking, focused people are working. While others are showing off, disciplined people are improving quietly. And that is why silence becomes powerful. And finally, there is one habit that connects all the others. Never stop improving yourself. Life is a journey of growth. Every day gives you a chance to become a little better than yesterday. Improve your skills. Improve your mindset. Improve your habits. Because the best investment you will ever make is the investment in your. Remember, big changes don't happen in one day. They happen through small actions repeated every single day. Maybe today you start with just one habit: 5 minutes of English practice, a short walk, or learning one new word. It may look small now, but one day you will look back and realize that these small habits quietly changed everything. Your English will be stronger, your confidence will be higher, new opportunities will start opening in your life. You may find a better job, you may connect with people from different parts of the world. You may achieve things that once felt impossible. And it all started with a few small habits you decided to practice every day. So if this video inspired you even a little, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Thrive Talk English. Because here, we are not just learning English, we are growing together and becoming better versions of ourselves. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Take care of yourself, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.